In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own logo with Wix Logo Maker. So if you're interested in doing this, then make sure you keep watching this video because I'm going to show you step by step how you can create your own logo automatically with Wix. So you don't need any design skills or Photoshop skills whatsoever. You can just do this by clicking a few buttons. Okay, so you want to go to wix.com/logo/maker. You can find it by simply going to Google and then just searching for Wix Logo Maker. It's going to be the first result right here. So you want to go to the website and then you can click on Start Now. And first of all, they're going to ask you a couple questions so you can start designing your logo. Now for that, you need to add the name of your business or organization. So for this video, I'm just going to make a YouTube logo. So I'm going to put in my channel name, which is How to Digital. You can add a tagline if you want to, but that's optional. So if you have like a slogan for your business, you can add that right there. I'm going to click on Let's Go. Then right there, you can select what your logo is for. So my logo is for a YouTube channel. So you can put in YouTube and then right there, you can select YouTube channel. Now let's say that it's for a business. You can put in business and you can then find business blog, business management, consulting firm. You can find all of these different like sub niches. Now I'm going to put in a YouTube channel. Just like that, then click on next, and then right there, they're going to ask you a few more questions so that they can optimize your logo. So how should your logo look and feel? So you can choose any of these categories. I'm just going to go with, let's see, techie, fresh, and modern. Click next, and then right there, you would have to choose one of these, okay? So, or you can also choose I don't like either of them, but which of these logos do you like better? Design is important, help us to get to know your style. So you can choose one of these. So let's say I want this one. Let's say I like this one better. This one, and this one. Where do you want to use your logo? So mine is for social media. Now you can choose any of these. Let's say that you want to use it on your website. You can click right there. I'm going to use it for social media. Right now, what it's going to do is going to analyze your answers and it's going to create logos for you. Now, you can customize these logos later on. I'll show you how you can do that as well. So these are all the logos that they just made. Now, some of these are just like very basic. This is just a white background with text. But like I said, we can customize it. So what you want to do, you want to scroll through these. And like I said, some of these suck in my opinion. And some of these are decent, and like some of these you can customize and then it can turn into something great. First of all, you want to scroll all the way down, click on load more, and do that again so that you can load all the logos. Next up, you can scroll through all of them. So as you can see right there, they actually make a lot of logos for you. And if I just scroll back, we're going to go through these and we're going to customize one of them. Let's see. Okay, so I kind of like this logo right here. So that could be an option. This one is pretty cool as well. Some of these are alright. It's just a matter of customizing it. So I'm just going to choose one of them right now. I'm going to choose the one that I just saw, this one. So once you choose logo, you can click on customize and you can then start customizing the logo. So once you're here, you can play around with the background. You can add different text, you can add icons or shapes. So as of right now, this is what our logo looks like, and this is the shape that's on our logo. Now you can make that bigger if you want to. You can also rotate it. Let's see how I can do that. Just like that, you can rotate it. Okay, so maybe you want it like this. Make it a little bit bigger. And there you go. So we just customize this like shape. Now let's play around with the background. I don't really like this one. I like blue way better. So this looks alright. Now as of right now, the text doesn't really look good. So we'll just play around with that as well. Let's say that we want a white text font, just like that. You could then make it a bit bigger if you want to, of course. And you can just play around with this, guys. So honestly, you can just play around with this. You can pretty much turn it into whatever you want to. It just takes like some time to customize it to what you're looking for. But like I said, you can choose any color. You can literally do anything. Now let's say that you don't like this logo after all. You can go back to try another design, and you can then, as you can see right here, get way more logos as well, colors. So there's a lot of different stuff available on the Wix logo maker. So right there, they'll show you more designs and layouts. You can check out all of this on wix.com/logo maker. Now that's pretty much how you can create a logo for free with Wix. If you guys enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like. Let me know in the comments down below if you're going to use it and if you get some nice results, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.